Technology is the sum of techniques, skills, methods, and processes used in the production of goods or services or in the accomplishment of objectives, such as scientific investigation. Technology can be the knowledge of techniques, processes, and the like, or it can be embedded in machines to allow for operation without detailed knowledge of their workings. Systems, for example machines, applying technology by taking an input, changing it according to the system's use, and then producing an outcome are referred to as technology systems or technological systems. The simplest form of technology is the development and use of basic tools. The prehistoric discovery of how to control fire and the later Neolithic revolution increased the available sources of food, and the invention of the wheel helped humans to travel in and control their environment. Developments in historic times, including the printing press, the telephone, and the internet, have lessened physical barriers to communication and allowed humans to interact freely on a global scale. Technology has many effects. It has helped develop more advanced economies, including today's global economy, and has allowed the rise of a leisure class. Many technological processes produce unwanted byproducts known as pollution and deplete natural resources to the detriment of Earth's environment. Innovations have always influenced the values of a society and raised new questions in the ethics of technology. Examples include the rise of the notion of efficiency in terms of human productivity, and the challenges of bioethics. Philosophical debates have arisen over the use of technology, with disagreements over whether technology improves the human condition or worsens it. Neo-Luddism, anarcho-primitivism, and similar reactionary movements criticize the pervasiveness of technology, arguing that it harms the environment and alienates people. Proponents of ideologies such as transhumanism and techno-progressivism view continued technological progress as beneficial to society and the human condition. Definition and usage. The use of the term technology has changed significantly over the last 200 years. Before the 20th century, the term was uncommon in English, and it was used either to refer to the description or study of the useful arts or to allude to technical education, as in the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, chartered in 1861. 4. The term technology rose to prominence in the 20th century in connection with the Second Industrial Revolution. The term's meanings changed in the early 20th century when American social scientists, beginning with Thorstein Veblen, translated ideas from the German concept of Technik into technology. In German and other European languages, a distinction exists between Technik and Technologie that is absent in English, which usually translates both terms as technology. By the 1930s, technology referred not only to the study of the industrial arts but to the industrial arts themselves. In 1937, the American sociologist Reed Bain wrote that technology includes all tools, machines, utensils, weapons, instruments, housing, clothing, communicating and transporting devices and the skills by which we produce and use them. 6. Bain's definition remains common among scholars today, especially social scientists. Scientists and engineers usually prefer to define technology as applied science, rather than as the things that people make and use. 7. More recently, scholars have borrowed from European philosophers of technique to extend the meaning of technology to various forms of instrumental reason, as in Foucault's work on technologies of the self. Dictionaries and scholars have offered a variety of definitions. The Merriam-Webster Learner's Dictionary offers a definition of the term: the use of science in industry, engineering, etc., to invent useful things or to solve problems in a machine, piece of equipment, method, etc., that is created by technology. 8. Ursula Franklin, in her 1989 Real World of Technology lecture, gave another definition of the concept: it is practice, the way we do things around here. 9. The term is often used to imply a specific field of technology, or to refer to high technology or just consumer electronics, rather than technology as a whole. 10. Bernard Stiegler, in Techniques and Time, 1, defines technology in two ways: as the pursuit of life by means other than life, and as organized in organic matter. Technology can be most broadly defined as the entities, both material and immaterial, created by the application of mental and physical effort in order to achieve some value. In this usage, technology refers to tools and machines that may be used to solve real-world problems. It is a far-reaching term that may include simple tools, such as a crowbar or a wooden spoon, or more complex machines, such as a space station or particle accelerator. Tools and machines need not be material. Virtual technology, such as computer software and business methods, fall under this definition of technology. 12. W. Brian Arthur defines technology in a similarly broad way as a means to fulfill a human purpose. 13. Complex technological systems. Thomas P. Hughes stated that because technology has been considered as a key way to solve problems, we need to be aware of its complex and varied characters to use it more efficiently. 73. What is the difference between a wheel or a compass and cooking machines such as an oven or a gas stove? Can we consider all of them, only a part of them, or none of them as technologies? Technology is often considered too narrowly. According to Hughes, technology is a creative process involving human ingenuity. 74. This definition's emphasis on creativity avoids unbounded definitions that may mistakenly include cooking technologies, but it also highlights the prominent role of humans and therefore their responsibilities for the use of complex technological systems.